Hi, it's Sharon, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. I haven't done a Tidy Tidy Tuesday for some time, but my friend Jen from her channel, which is Live, Laugh, Love with Jen, has kept doing tiny tidies off and on. So she asked if I would like to join her, and I said absolutely. I love to do my tiny tidies, and I think some of my subscribers quite enjoyed them. Anyhow, so that's what today's video is about. It's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And we'll start off in my yard. And my little garden is just along my fence. And if you want to see more detailed look at my garden and my fairy gardens, you just watched my fairy garden Thursday. So basically this is my yard. It's a tiny yard, but I do enjoy it. And I have stuff all around. Don't know if you'll be able to see my bunnies, but I have bunnies over in that corner there. So that's my whole yard. It is a tiny yard, but it's perfect for me to play in. Okay, so back to this tiny tidy. Today I am going to work on my wheelbarrow. I have a fairy house in amongst all this grass. I'll tell you why there's grass. Because I had a bunch of birdseed get all wet and yucky. So I threw it in the wheelbarrow, because you're not allowed to throw it in your compost bin because it's got seeds in it. You don't want that. So anyhow, I thought, well, I'll just throw it in my wheelbarrow and it can rot out. And I just added some soil on top. And now I have all this grass growing up. I was going to let it grow, and today I decided, no, I'm not going to let it grow. What I'm going to do is I am going to pull the grass out, and I have some flowers that need to be planted. And I think I'm just going to plant them in my wheelbarrow. I was going to put them in pots on my deck, but I've decided against that. So I have a coffee and I have a water out here. Well, I'm just gonna sit you here and you can watch me pull this grass out. Hopefully it won't take too long, but I can always speed it up. These, I believe, are sunflowers, which I'm gonna let grow just for fun. See what happens. I have some thyme here, and it seems to be doing better now that it's not so wet. We had so much rain and it got really, really wet. Anyhow, let's just get this grass pulled out. Oops. Didn't want to take that guy. Oh, maybe I'll stick him over in the garden. I would like to thank Jen from Live, Laugh, Love with Jen for encouraging me to do a tiny tidy. Thank you so much, Jen. I really do enjoy them. And if you're new here, I would love it if you subscribed and gave me a thumbs up and left a comment. And don't forget to go check out Jen's channel, Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. She's a great creator and she does great tiny tidies. So I will do a few tiny tidies as the months go on. drier in here now, which I think the plants like. Anyhow, we'll leave this sunflower. That is growing right up through. Oh, that was kind of funny. Oop. That looks better. Leave this sunflower here. So I might put a flower in here. I have a couple of flowers I could bring down. Let's get the rest of the grass pulled out. Well, I'd like to thank you if you stayed this long in my video. I sure hope you're enjoying it. And I really, really do appreciate you watching from beginning to end. I hope this is entertaining. Okay. Thanks again. And don't forget to subscribe. You have to pull each little grassing separately, otherwise you pull up all the dirt in the wheelbarrow and it makes a terrible mess. So that's why I am just doing one little grass piece at a time. Leave them in there. This is the light that I want to figure out how to position so you can see it at night. And we've got another sunflower here with a couple of bells. Take this grass out too. It's the bells. Clickety-clack go. Let's move this. Sometimes they clickety-clack together. They're cute. Maybe I'll put this mushroom over here with this one. There, we'll put those two there. And I think I'll pull that one out. And then we have this, which is the same as that one. Let's just move it out. There. Now you can see it better. I say, I have a couple of plants up on my deck that I'm going to stick in here. I still need to do, if you watch my videos, the roof. I've tried to figure out a way to keep the moss on with having rain and sprinklers on it. And I figured it out. I put some black stuff that you use to glue rocks together in a pond. So I glued that side with it. It worked really well. So I have to do this side. But this is one of my fairy garden houses I made years and years ago. And it's been many different styles and shapes and roofs and stuff through the years. And if you want to see this, just go to see how it has been and how it was created. Just go to my fairy garden playlist, and I have all kinds of different fairy gardens and how I made them. This is one of my last ones that I've stayed together. This one I would say is a good 6 or 7 years old, but like I say, I've changed the roof lots. Anyhow, gonna get the plants, and we're gonna put some plants in here and just see how they do, and give everybody a drink. Feet, but I don't know, they don't look that great. That one does. That one looks like it's thriving. Maybe the yellow ones are different, I don't know. But anyhow, well, there's a big yellow one back there. It's great. Who knows? Anyhow, let's just do a bit more on this. I think it's looking better with all that grass. Okay, we'll go up and get those plants. This marigold's hanging around for quite a while. At least a month, and they need to get out of these pots, this little pot. So I'm just gonna kind of plant them here in the front so it doesn't cover up the wheelbarrow. But first of all, we'll clean them up a bit, take the dead stuff off, cut any of the dead stuff off. I think I'm just going to plant a bunch in here. I'll put 3 in here or something, 3 or 4. More back there. Let's put this one in this group because it's not very good. But cleaning it off might help, and that doesn't hurt it. Take a little. Okay, I'm going to stick this one back here. Now those don't grow very tall, I don't think. But anyhow, hopefully they'll do good. Okay, I have one more of those. This one's a little bigger. And I just want to take the dead stuff off. It looks so much better if it's cleaned up before it's planted. Oh. Okay, you can see right in here, this is the main stem, and all of these are growing off the main stem. So we'll just stick this one back here. There, that looks nice. There. We'll give those guys a little bit of water. My hose drips, so I'm just going to use the water that's dripping. Right now it's watering my tree. There we go. Over here. Water it in good. There. And I'm going to water this spot because I think I'll put a plant there too. Plant, it's Gazania New Day Mix. And this one looks like it's going to be kind of a red color. Good. And I think I'll just stick it right in here. And hopefully it likes its new home. And it just grows this way. Looks good. It's much tidier anyhow. Okay, that's my little tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I was just sitting outside watching my birds. I will stick up some bird pictures in my shorts because I have lots of bird activity. I cleaned out their bird feeders and cleaned up the water, the bird bath, and the birds seem to be really enjoying it now. So that's great. So thanks again, Jen. I love Tiny Tidy Tuesdays and look forward to doing them. I'm not sure if I'll do it every week, but I'll try. And we'll see you in my next video, which is Scary Garden Thursday. Bye.